This is a remarkable feat of engineering. Tesla has once again redefined the limits of innovation in electric motors. During the recent Model S Plaid delivery event, Elon Musk introduced a revolutionary development: sleeve rotors for the motor, a first in Tesla's lineup. At the heart of this breakthrough is the Plaid carbon-wrapped motor. Compact enough to be lifted by hand, yet delivering incredible power, this motor represents a new benchmark in efficiency and performance. Musk also hinted at a higher RPM version designed for the next-generation Roadster, aiming to set new records in speed and acceleration. Tesla's engineers have harnessed advanced materials and state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques to achieve unparalleled torque and ultra-high revolutions. And with the Roadster offering mind-blowing options like the SpaceX package, yes, rocket thrusters, Tesla is on the verge of creating the fastest production car ever made. Tesla's journey to this milestone is equally inspiring. Founded in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, and later propelled by Elon Musk's vision and financial backing, Tesla introduced its first car, the all-electric Roadster, in 2008. This revolutionary vehicle offered a 245-mile range, unmatched performance, and zero emissions, setting the stage for the electric car revolution we see today. Want to stay updated on Tesla's groundbreaking innovations? Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on the latest in electric vehicle technology. The Roadster's body was made from carbon fiber, a strong yet lightweight material commonly used in supercars. The vehicle used lithium-ion batteries similar to those in laptops, which could be recharged using a regular electrical outlet. Despite a federal tax credit of $7,500 for electric vehicle purchases, the Roadster's high price tag of $109,000 made it a luxury item for most consumers. By late 2007, Eberhard stepped down as CEO and President of Technology, though he briefly remained on Tesla's advisory board. In 2008, it was announced that he had fully left the company, although he still owned shares. Tarpenning, who was responsible for developing the Roadster's electronic and software systems, also left Tesla that same year. Elon Musk then took over as CEO. Tesla continued to grow, raising about $226 million through its initial public offering, IPO, in 2010. So how did a company that started with one expensive electric sports car rise to become one of the world's most talked-about car manufacturers? The answer lies in Tesla's vision to push boundaries and redefine the future of transportation. Tesla's Model S Plaid boasts an engine like no other, thanks to Elon Musk's team and their relentless drive to innovate in electric vehicle technology. Creating a carbon-wrapped rotor requires winding it at extremely high tension, a challenging feat. Tesla had to design a specialized machine to achieve this. At the heart of this motor lies a carbon-wrapped rotor, a revolutionary innovation. Wrapping the rotor in carbon fiber helps it stay intact even at extremely high speeds, allowing the car to go faster, produce more power, and remain efficient. However, this is no easy task. Carbon and copper expand differently under temperature changes, so Tesla had to invent a machine that wraps the rotor with super high tension to keep everything tightly compressed regardless of the motor's heat or speed. Unlike traditional metal-wrapped rotors, Tesla's approach ensures greater durability and performance. The carbon-wrapped rotor in the Model S Plaid marks a breakthrough in electric motor design, delivering a significantly stronger electromagnetic field than steel counterparts, translating to greater power output. This innovative design also enables the motor to achieve much higher rotation speeds, as the carbon fiber prevents the copper rotor from expanding excessively under stress. Beyond its performance, it represents Tesla's unrelenting focus on advancing technology. Remarkable speed capabilities. The Plaid is equipped with cutting-edge features such as an upgraded heat pump that improves cold weather range by 30% and a larger radiator to endure repeated high-performance launches without overheating. Elon Musk emphasizes that these advancements ensure the Plaid maintains peak performance even during the most demanding track sessions. Inside the cabin, the Plaid elevates the driving experience with state-of-the-art technology. Its centerpiece is a 17-inch horizontal touchscreen display, redefining what's expected not just from electric cars but from vehicles in general. This display enhances entertainment and functionality, allowing passengers to stream movies or play games while charging at a Tesla supercharger. The immersive sound system, bolstered by acoustic glass that minimizes road noise, offers a cinematic audio experience even at highway speeds. Rear passengers also enjoy luxury with their own central screen, dual inductive phone chargers, and an array of convenience features, including Bluetooth functionality for multiple wireless connections. However, Tesla's ambitious plans for the Plaid Plus, a model promising over 520 miles of range, 1,100 horsepower, and a sub 2.0 second 0 to 60 mph time, were unexpectedly shelved. Musk hinted at delays tied to the revolutionary 4680 battery technology, which is expected to make future vehicles lighter, more rigid, and even more efficient. Despite this setback, Musk declared the Plaid's motor the most advanced in the world, capable of outperforming virtually any competitor outside of a dedicated racetrack. Cost concerns naturally arise with such advanced technology, but Musk argues the long-term benefits outweigh the initial investment. The carbon wrap motors are not only more efficient but also more durable, requiring fewer repairs and replacements over time. Additionally, the streamlined manufacturing process uses less energy and generates less waste, contributing to sustainability. At $199,990, the Plaid is Tesla's fastest and most advanced offering. While it's pricey, it undercuts the projected cost of the cancelled Plaid Plus. Musk believes the Plaid already delivers exceptional performance for most drivers.